How to fix YouTube keeps opening in the app instead of the browser on Android. This tutorial shows you how to force YouTube to open in your browser on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, go to Apps and find YouTube from the list. From there, tap on YouTube to open its app settings. At this point, tap on Open Supported Links or Open by default, depending on what appears on your screen. In the next step, you'll see an option that says Open Supported Links. Make sure this is turned off so YouTube links no longer automatically redirect to the app. Following this, go back to your browser and search for YouTube. Once done, if YouTube still tries to open in the app, try long pressing on the YouTube link from the search results instead of tapping it normally. From here, a menu will appear. Tap on Open Link in New tab to force it to open in the browser. Finally, switch over to the new tab and YouTube will now load fully in your browser without redirecting to the app. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you open YouTube in your browser, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.